Ithi ngikwakhele inqambu yalento wena mfowethu. Mina angiyanga ejele ngoba ngangihluphekile. Ngaya ejele ngathi okokuqala i-peer pressure. Etown besingamagenge, idolobha lela besilidivide okwamagenge. Wena ungazi umuntu osebenza edrobheni nephoyisa nani. Siyazi ukuthi Marshall Town mhlambe ama-dirty kids. E-New Town nase-downtown ama-club Satan ezaseZola ezakuphi. Ama-ninja siwathola kuphi eYuveli. Ama-wire gang they were big guys. Ama-wire gang they were big guys ngoba yile sikhuluma ngaboMakhoshu, sikhuluma ngabantu abaserious, but they were there also. But they were these bigger gangs. Uyabo kanjalo nje bese divide idolobha. And then uthola ukuthi ukuze mina ngibe khona kulento i-peer pressure nokuspina. Thina besiboshelwa ama-economical crimes whereby siyahamba soshaya was breaking. Sibuye sidayise elokishini kube mnandi kanjalo. Sihambe siyotshontsha kuphi sibuye sidayise elokishini kanjalo. Uqala kwami ukuboshwa I was arrested ngo 88. Ngiboshelwe i-house breaking eRobertson. Yabo la sasisuke nje sasingamagenge. Uyakhumbula lapha sekunale motivation yokuthi siyabangena. Elokishini there was this thing yokuthi ama comrades abo 85 A6 A7 A8 soqala nokuba nengxabano yenkatha neNC khona lapha sokuba nalezo zinto. We need to fundraise for ama structures ethu elokishini yabo. Whereby wena mina nginje ngizozwa kuthiwa hayi wena na amagenge uzohamba nawo. Nihamba noshaya. Sihamba siyoshaya liyabuya 3 liter bekusagijwa ama 40 lama 3 liter. Liyabuya 3 liter salihlaba liyagcwala ama TV, ama fridge, ama VHS in eBomtown eOrlando. Masifika eOrlando kuyafloat amabhayara ayathatha thina sodakwa siphuza utshwala angithi size na yonke into imali vele mhlambe sixovile endlini yomlungu kakhulukazi amabhenki wangakafani namhlanje. Sinakho kwethu vele sisipinele ezinye izinto obhuti bethu lapho bayathatha kuyasetshenzwa. Yabona ukuthi se motivation from the community ukuthi nibacindezele ningabavumeli. Uyayibona le nto yokuthi siphile etown yiyo le yasenza ukuthi manje sisithole sesikuphi kakhulukazi ku crime because ama room la sasiwarenta kakhulukazi ama daily accommodation. After 94 kuye kwaba nalento ukuthi abantu sebene access to many flats in town. Kwatholakala ukuthi Pretoria Street lapha eHillbrow abelungu bayanyamalala. Sebayaqala abelungu batholakala kuphe Beria ngokuya eBeria East. Yabona kuza ngapha eYuveli. Kwaya baphela, and then those places were had to be accommodated by abantu abamnyama. Kusekhona amazayizayi not ama Nigeria besijiva namazayizayi. Ukhumbule lapha bekuphuzwa ihlala edisco kune rental thina besihlala njengoje the Lloyd khona Paul Neal eNhlem Street yona esafika sahlala qale eMimosa ivula iMimosa athi amaphoyisa ebona ukuthi sekugcwele igebengu aqala usihlasela saqala sabaleka. Mangigwetshwa i4 years kula okuvele khona indaba. Ibona lento 208. Ibona nangapha 208. Waqhamuka umbhemu wafika yes, what time shotgun what two time shotgun what what but salute what homoya but home what salute what hoze komora lamashumu bapthini kolamangwane bapthini kolamaswati asportisi yaphilisa sishanga abantu abashanga ngokuqophoka amakhala namadlebe hoze komora lamashumu nazi lasikhona but salute wathi mfowethu usemaketi nazendiya la uyangena noma ungena athula bathi kusetala gogo la mfowethu uyangena noma ungena ngathi hayi mfowethu ngiyangena wathi zimbili indlela zokungena mfowethu. Sino line wase private la sino line wasefaka line la yazi mfowethu ngalala ngingalele ngicabanga ukuthi nangaphandle okay ngiploma emsodra mara angijwayelanga mina kahle nje into yokuhlova kwangasinto yami. Maybe kungakho mhlambe as we go on uzothola ukuthi why I became what I am because of the prison. The destination was not that one. Angilalanga kasidami. Yazi ngalala ngihleli ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa fonye kwazi umuntu. Bangiphile umzukwana insimbi icijiwe la ikushiswa iplastic yabona. Sithi umzukwana isiheza. Yabo uthi na umzukwana kuzococisa. Ekseni makuthiwa siyophaka phuma phaka siyaphuma siyafula thuthu siyabuyela futhi then kuyaphaka bawuthatha before kuvula angizamazi nalo uyabhudile ukuthi ubani wawuthatha kodwa hayi mfowethu line wakho uzodibana nawo umthane. Oh, Sunset was the most dangerous. Even today, if you are a normal person, akunamuntu ongakutshela ethetshele kumnandi. Nayo inombolo le uthole egcineni sesihlala isikhathi eside ejele. Kuba ngathi manje hey amaZulu awafuna ukuya ngaphandle, amaXhosa awafuna, amaSwati awafuna ukuya ngaphandle. Kanti ile culture yenombolo lesikuyo esicindezelayo. Kakhulukazi the young people. They must be careful. The most dangerous prison is a juvenile prison. There is no order in juvenile. And those boys they can step at any time. In prison, it teaches you respect. It teaches people responsibility. It teaches people how to live with other people. Because like being put with the other people for 5 years, you see that in 18 years, in 12 years, 18 years, in 36. Now wenza 20 years uhlala la phela sifuna ukuthi besishintsha amasilapha kuze kugcina ngathi kusemzini wakho so yazi noma ukuthi nawe mangifika engakulesa skafula sami fike ngithi kudlo abanye uthola sesakhile njengami ke mina bengakhile kulela China nami ne TV yami na everything angidle kishi mundoda ngithi nabafowethu abangako lapha kaMlilwane bangishanga imfanelo bayashiza bayojuda bangishulekisela labo nobangela la enithi double inokomzuzu spectre somkhosi satellite inombolo zase 28 zonke sixavunwa lo ndoda makuno line ongathi salute between ama 28 nama 27 or ama 26 yo leyo ndoda yakuma negotiations I must be there kuma negotiations she's an opov umpemi ngazo opova ili poisa la umpemo kakhulu makushayiseni itimela uyongithola ngangako maye inombolo igcogcwa ustenga umaphuza ukhwaza lo ndoda ene nabo suke besebesaze prison they don't have to go lena le kavuka kwazana ama 28 nama 26 zamaveka Alex kom no vat melani nene jesal fortuda khan senior menseles medal makak no vaga no ngena op mina wat toe gaan nee jy sal daarvoor kom praat kom laat ons gaan afval die area manager kutshela andot landweni ngilandelo ama 26 kwenzakala you need to solve the thing go back and give the feedback and cool the situation there's one thing nje AMS or correctional service I don't know how they were going to reach this or nabo bayalalela lezi zinto lezi one thing they have where correctional service missed to say prisoners should not work ukubulala abantu imqondo lokho prisoners must work and produce during our times the hospitals got vegetables from prison I remember in Groenpend there was Groente 1 to Groente 36 yama vegetable and amangithi Groente 1 angisho ingajane ngaka umgelo omkhulu oshale na 1 to 38 36 yama khabishi makulinye khabishi ayibona ukuthi iphelele ispinach silima ngegandakana kune Terenten 1 to Terenten 18 umbila lapho yini lezi zinto ezinkulu sasidima zonke kune Farkoko ingulube lapha sasalisa ngelanga boma 100 there should be more being done by these people who have been in prison whom you see that they were rehabilitated because not everyone from prison has an idea of righteousness there are those who fail and they will go back there are those we call the jailbirds a jailbird umuntu ozibophise ethanda njengala eSuncity there are plenty they will be free njengalesikhathi uyabona maybe next week or ngabo 10 11 zika December icase yaphela uyatola uyaphuma 2 4 5 February uyabuya eSuncity they do it for themselves ukuthi baye lapha so that they upush business la muntu maye lapha umfazi uze visit every day imali hamba nayo imali yohlanya thina masilapho ziyabanda number 4 uze number 4 insanga ikhona number 4 nyama ikhona number 4 ibisi likhona number 4 yonke into ikhona number 4 uze number 4 ziyabanda number 4 after apartheid one department has pushed it so much one department of education they are missing a lot they are missing the structure of designing the curriculum that will enable every South African to be well educated and be fit for to balance the society. The correctional service, they've done their best. They changed the life of a prisoner, the manner in which a prisoner was treated and regarded. They changed that after 94. Correctional service njengoba ngitshela nje, it's because of them. They motivate us, they empower abantu mabefika lapho ukuthi do something, don't be lento ukuthi nakusasa mawuphuma you go back to this. Yibo laba abasenza ukuthi senzele. They worked very hard. Even today they are working. There are many people who are attending school at prison. It's because of their motivation. Because the correctional service angithi is ne social welfare, ma social worker. But basuke be under correctional services in other places uthola bagqoke non-uniform. Those people have worked very hard. Their work is very good. And the other thing that I've seen that is happening is the undermining by the society when one comes from prison. Whereas those are one of the best people to utilize, especially in security. The second thing that I think the society needs to do, Yabona, if you can come to my class, you'll be surprised. My kids, I tell them, I've been in prison. What was happening in prison? In most cases, I tell them these things, especially in Fundisama Grade 7, they are very naughty. They are very naughty. And a primary school, when I put them, I want this one to be highlighted. In primary schools, a teacher is a target. You survive ukuye pension lapho ungaboshwanga njengenhlanhla. Kids are naughty. Mabelwa phambi kwakho, you are not allowed to let them fight, but you are not allowed to test them. Mabe ngalemazana imas account. Mntana omncane uyakhuluma uyasukuma kutshela uhlonyela. Etshela uthisha, uhlonyela. You are not allowed to test the child, you cannot beat the child back. Our kids don't know what's right, what's wrong. That is why you find that kids commit serious crimes at early ages. People don't know what is crime. Uthola ngihleli nomama Michael endlini. Ngimshaya intando yami. Ngithi kuyisiko ukuthi indoda umfazi mayedelele uyasha. Angazi ukuthi kuyicrime. But kube ngafunda ukuthi ukuphakamisa isandla uthinta omunye umuntu is an act. Leso senzo siba isenzo esingekho emthethweni mase sike safika senza kanjani. I'm what I am. I'm a father today because of correctional services. Not because of my future. Because of them. They managed to divert what I... Remember the time I was outside ngispina ngenzani ngidla kamnandi ngase ngisiyekile isikole. And I was never going to go back to school. If ngingaboshwanga ngizobe ngishayisile imali ngaphila kangcono or ngafa in crime. You remember that? But ngaboshwa ngaye prison. In prison I was given the second chance. By who? By the correctional services. Today I'm a teacher who has taught for 20 years. From 2004 from this. 20 years in the field. Working permanently. Thank you so much. What you did to me, may you do to others, those that are still sleeping there. Tell them to wake up and prepare themselves. Thank you.